Kani gadega pati CCTV, bat pidang pej yaki kubor baman kasni.
Henne kasni kesan terik ukolalingkon sakawai par kekenhon kebalawan yakendo yakinong patai kobor hasilong press club. Kade kekenhon jong keseng Lok Jan Shakti Party Meghalaya Unit. Kade kekenhon hapok jelam jong wain ki kertong ubadan ke Jingkynthoh banyakon yak election National North Constituency usamla toni marbanyang ha ke Jingkynthoh barkinong patai kobor kila Pynshai Halor ke Jingkynthoh jong president jong keseng LJP Meghalaya Unit Ujamir Ahmed ubalakantoh baka jingmi no kani kekenhon na kani keseng kade namar bakimyo yak pisa banyakon election katkom ke Jingkynthoh kam jongki utoni marbanyang ulakanta Halor ke Jingkynthoh jong Ujamir Ahmed baka ni kekenhon kelapan pisa na keseng LJP hadu arpsan lak tingka.
We have to listen to Sri Jamil Ahmed under the party, even though if he's no longer, by chance, if he's no longer the president.
Tax.
Yes. And no money was mentioned in the undertaking. And number one is that I will go against the interest of Lok Jan Shakti Party Meghalaya. That was number point under the undertaking. Undertaking number one. That I will go against the interest of the Lok Jan Shakti Party Meghalaya State.
And whatever the actions and plans shall be in consultation with Sri Jamil Ahmed, not with the party. And number 3 is that if I win, then as per the instruction of Jamil Ahmed only, I have to take.
Yes. So we condemn what Jamil Ahmed has said in the media and the press, and if we think that it's right, so I want him to show the proof and give written statement where the demand, where in the draft, or even if he said mouth to mouth, show us the videos, the evidence.